Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, usually around 5, some even 10 accounts working together. But we're only going to be using one account to try to show. I just want to show you with minimum effort that when you promote this product on My Lead Gen Secrets, you can get some amazing results. Alright guys, and it's very easy to do. So, I just want to show you the results of that, show you that it's possible, that it works, and let's get to it. All right, so if you're interested in following along, all the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business real quick. Because it's affiliate system. Its affiliate system is fantastic. It's 80% recurring commissions, or 80% commissions in general. So any product in this system that you sell, you will get 80% commissions for it. But the product we promote is the $25 business, which is 80% recurring commissions, and it also there's a HBA premium that it also sells with the $25 business, which is a $100 recurring commissions as well. So $20 and 100, you can get $120 each month from each customer if they purchase both. Right guys? So that's why that's amazing. It's and recurring, 80% recurring is absolutely insane. All right. So anyway guys, let's get to it. Let me show you my results here. I'm gonna refresh the page to make sure they're real results. If they don't refresh the page, don't believe the results, guys. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do here. Now in the description below, there's a link. There's something like $25 business. Okay guys, so what you want to do, you want to go to the page here. It should, a page like this should pop up, right? And you can read that or whatever you see. You see it say $100 monthly commissions. You see that? That's what I was talking about here with this product. So once you read it or watch videos or whatever you want to do and look at it and explore it on your own and try to decide whether you want to purchase or not, and you decide that you want to try this out, all right guys, what you want to do is go to click this, yes, I want in. Now what should pop up is another video that is required for you to watch, because we want to make sure you understand what you're purchasing. All right guys, so we don't want you to waste your money if you don't know what you're doing, right? So it's like a warning light video to just fully understand what you're purchasing. Okay, so once you do that, you'll get to a screen that looks something like this. It'll look something like this. You want to click on affiliate zone, guys. Once you click on affiliate zone, you want to go to click on sign up for affiliate program here. Sign up for affiliate program here. Now once you sign up, you go to SamCart. You can log into SamCart at that point. Once you sign up, you can log into SamCart, and SamCart is gonna look like this, guys. And the link that you want to use is the all-in-one $25 business. That's the one you want to use, and that's what took you to this page. All right guys, so once you do that, you want to come to My Lead Gen Secrets here, guys. You log in, do what you need to do to log in, get you an account, whatever, right? Now what you want to do is go to mailing system. Do not purchase master email swipes. You do not need them. It's gonna ask you if you want them. Don't get them. Don't need them. All right guys, you sign in, and you click all your leads here. It gives you leads every single day. That's what My Lead Gen Secrets do. That's why so many people buy multiple accounts, so they can have a bunch of leads. So anyway, the thing is though, they're cold leads. They're interested in making money, but that's all. Like, you have to sell the product yourself. What I find works the best is more clickbaity type titles, very short emails. So you want to try to do that. And I'm just gonna load up another email here. Boom, one of my emails I wrote myself. You can copy that if you want to, guys. And once you got a couple of emails in the system, you can just load them up like that, and boom, you in there. So you can just copy that, Boom, like that. Copy that. Boom, pause, copy. We're done. All right, you put your link, the link I showed you before, you put it right here. All right, so now if you just flabbergasted on what kind of email to do, right? So if you purchased HBA Premium, if you trying HBA Premium, it should be free. If you trying it under my link here, you'll get the Immersion Magic Content Machine. All you really need to do is type in right email short, write a short email about how much money make all in one $5 digital business. So you do that, you just type that in, ask it to do that for you. That's the Immersion Content Machine. All right, so it makes whatever. You can make Instagram posts with it, TikTok posts, all kinds of stuff. All right, so here's the email. All-in-one $25 business opportunity. I wanted to share this. You can make all credit amount just $25. Great, highly recommend it. Basically, it'll write an email for you guys, and you can just post it in the mailing system yourself. You don't have to come up with the emails. You don't have to write the emails. This is a new feature in $25 business that just added. They constantly adding stuff to the premium. This is traffic and conversion. So this is for when you have the premium. You gotta have the premium to be able to do this. You can make all kind of content for your Facebook, whatever it is. You ask it to write a Facebook thing or ad or whatever you need it to do. And you hard time coming up with something, you can just ask it to do it for you. Right, guys? So once you do that, you're gonna preview, make sure your link works, and then you're gonna send the email. Make sure you click perfect time. Perfect time. Make sure it's send the email around time people check the email, so it's at the top of the list. So that's all there is to it, guys. Like I stated before, links are all in the description below. Very easy to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.